Hey, today we're going to try putting the big mouth air intake in. We got to take off the front bumper and it seems quietly involved, so we'll see how it goes. All right, obviously I got the bumper off with a little finagling to get my plug out of the way. But my big mouth came with these 3 bolts that basically I just had to create my own threads through the bumper there. But comes down. Obviously I did have to cut out the spot to fit it in there. But we'll see how it looks when it's all done. All right, probably because I got it off Amazon, I had to do a little bit of modification because it was a little bit too low and a little bit too far forward, hitting on the grill right here. So I had to slice a little bit on this side to kind of like angle it back. And then I used some Flex Seal and some of this black stretchy tape stuff to get it to seal back up. So hopefully that will, hopefully that'll hold. And you can't really see that from the front, so I think we'll be okay. right, so my son wanted to take on the project of shining up the top of my headlights. So this is what the one headlight looked like, or the other headlight looked like before. And then this is what it looks like after. I'd say he's doing a fine job. I think it turned out pretty nice looking. I like the blue.